Hello everyone, and welcome to today's graphic design training using the pixellab app. So as I said earlier in our group, the pixellab app is an app that doesn't require data to be used, and today we'll just be doing a brief rundown on the tools that have been provided by the app for us to use. So down here are different backgrounds that we can use for our designs, but instead of using this, we can't limit ourselves to this. Now next video I will show you an app that you can use to download creative and amazing backgrounds that you need, like, because you won't be using these backgrounds to create every of your designs, obviously. So our next tool here is this A icon. It's for text. So this, you can see new text, then you tap on edit and I'll put in creative nexus. Okay, so I could copy it. As you can see, it has been copied. This to front and to back is moving. Is for moving your text to the front of your background or to the back of your background, which you would see in our subsequent videos. Now positioning, very important. It is very important to place your designs in the right position, and this tool helps you to position your text in a right position instead of you using your hands to move it, which you can also do too. Relative positioning, it will take your text to an exact place. It gives a more definite measurement. Like if I want this text now to be in the middle, see, it's in the middle. If I want it to be on the left, it's at the left. This is completely at the left. If I want it to be at the right, it's at the right. If I want it to go down, it's down. If I want it to go up. So the next tool here is the size. I could increase the size with this, and I can also decrease the size using the size tool. Now color is very important. There are various colors that have been provided by the app here, which you can use different kind of colors. Let's use brown. Yeah, so this one is brown now. Now the next one is texture. For designs that the colors are not, let's say the colors are not in the app, or you want to make it look different, you can download a particular color, which I'll be showing in our next video. Then you come over here to textures, you tap on this. Let's say I need a silver color because this app doesn't have a silver color, so I use this. Now this creative nexus is in silver colored. There are different kinds of it, so it's in silver colored now. Opacity reduces the visibility of your text. So this is it. You can reduce it, makes it less visible, or increase it to make it more visible. This is for rotating, which you can also do here like this by just tapping on the screen. The font is very important. There are different fonts that have been provided here for us that you can use to make your designs more attractive. I really like using this Allura regular Alex Broch Allura. So let's use this for this one. Style, you have to make your text bold. If you want to put it in italics or underline it, and if you want to like revert this things you've done now. Just tap on this and it goes back to its normal state. So we'll just make this bold, and background, yes, you can see I'm giving this particular text a background now. Now the next one is aligning. Spacing, you can space letters or words. Let's take for instance we are spacing letters now, so you can see that my letters have been spaced. Now if I want to space these words, I'll just tap on words and increase the spacing on the words. Now the words have been spaced. I can also reduce the spacing too. Line spacing. Let's say you want to increase the background of this text. This is how you do it. Now stroke is very important. Stroke makes your designs, like your text or your images in your designs, to stand out. Look at this one now. Before, let me take off the stroke. Now if you look at this now, unless you won't be able to read this text because it is not clear enough due to the silver color. But if I apply my stroke now, you can see it's very clear. It makes it more visible. Creative Nexus. And also you can change the color of your stroke. This is red, pink, but going in black. You can change the color of your stroke. There are different colors you could use for your strokes. Shadow. There are some designs that you have to add shadows, particularly in images. You have to add shadows. You can reduce it here or decrease it here. So let's leave this one like this. Let's go to 3D text. Mix your text in 3D form. Also, we also use this for objects too. So everything here we use for objects too. 3D shadow and reflection, which will not be needed for now. Our next icon is this tool. You use this tool now to import pictures, this imports for pictures, to draw, even import shapes too. Let's see, yes, I need a rectangle, and I need you can color your shapes too. Their colors have been provided for your shapes too. Let's reduce the size a little. As I said earlier, you could crop, you could copy, you move to front or back. Positioning, like the same thing too. In text, they are all the same things. Relative size is for reducing and increasing the size of your shapes. Color, I could change the color of my shape from here. Let's leave this one like this. Texture, like I said earlier, this texture is used for changing the color of a text object in your design. That like if a color is not present in the pixellab app, you could change the color using the texture app. Opacity makes it visible and less visible. Stroke, you can use add strokes. Let's use a black stroke, then increase the width of the stroke. You can see the next icon is also used on images and shapes. The next icon is used on images and shapes. You can make this background transparent using this icon. You could increase your image size. You could change the size of your image using this icon too. And also I can import images from here, from my gallery, as you can see here, and from my camera. Now up here, just up here, you can add text from here, you can add stickers from here, you can also add shapes and images from our galleries and draw from here, from this plus sign up here. This is for saving. You can save as project. Let's say saving as creative nexus. So you can save as project so that you do want to save your designs as projects so that you can go back to make corrections or adjustments if need be. You can also save this as image, which will be saved in our phones. Save to gallery. Now once you're done saving this image, if you go back to your phone, your phone's gallery, you will see a new should I say collection, and it will be named Pixellab. I can share my designs too from here. And lastly, this open PLP file. If you want to get back to designs that you have made before, you could open PLP file and you'll be able to access designs that you have been creating since. So basically, this is all that we do in the app. And lastly, I could lock this shape from here, which means that I can't move it, but I can move the other ones, and I can also unlock it. So thank you, and we are looking forward to our next video.